Hello बच्चों. So let's read the question. The question says, match the columns and find out the correct combination. First column में दिया हुआ है patella, femur, clavicle and sternum. Second column में दिया है strongest bone, kneecap, collarbone and breastbone. So the key concept of this question is skeleton. Yeah, the skeletal system. The bones of the limbs, along with their girdles, it consists of the appendicular skeleton. सबसे पहले आता है forelimbs. Forelimbs consist of humerus, radius, and ulna. The carpals, which are the wrist bones, which are 8 in number. Then there are metacarpals, which are present in the palm. They are 5 in number. And phalanges are 14 in number. They consist of the fingers or the finger bones. Next is the hind limbs. This consists of the femur, tibia, fibula. जो femur होता है, it is the longest bone, which is present in the thigh. There are tarsals, which are 7 in number. Metatarsals, 5. Phalanges present are again 14. Additional to this, there is also a kneecap, which is called the patella. It is a covering of the knee, cup-shaped, and it is present ventrally in the hind limbs. Next होते हैं girdles. The girdles consist of the pelvic girdle and the pectoral girdle. And girdles का main function होता है to connect the hind limb or forelimb bones to the axial side, to the axial skeleton. Half of the pectoral girdle is further consists of clavicle and the scapula. Triangular in structure and present dorsally. Clavicle is a long, slender bone with 2 curvatures. इसको कॉलर बोन भी बोला जाता है. Consist of 2 coxal bones. The coxal bones are basically formed of ilium, ischium, and pubis. Axial skeleton में सबसे पहला होता है skull. Skull further consists of 2 set of bones. First is the facial and second is the cranial. Facial bones consist of the front of the skull and is composed of 14 bones. जो cranial bone होता है, it is basically the hard part of the skull, which is called the cranium, and it is composed of 8 bones. Second is the hyoid bone. Hyoid bone is a single U-shaped bone which is present in the base of the buccal cavity. And third होते हैं ear ossicles. Ear ossicles are present in 3 pairs. Namely malleus, incus, and stapes. Vertebral column. The vertebral column consists of 33 bones. There are 5 parts of the vertebral column. 5 categories में divide करा गया है. First is the cervical. Second is thoracic. Third is lumbar. Fourth is sacrum. And fifth is coccyx. And they are divided by the intervertebral discs. Vertebral column basically supports the head and protects the spinal cord. Next होता है sternum. Sternum is the single flat bone which is present in the ventral midline. जहाँ पे ribs attach होते हैं. Sternum is also called the breastbone. Sixth are the ribs, which are present in 12 pairs. Coming back to the question में सबसे पहले दिया हुआ है patella. Patella we saw it is also called the kneecap. So A का हो गया 2. Second is femur. Femur जो होता है वो सबसे longest bone होता है और सबसे strongest bone होता है. So B का हो गया 1. Third given is clavicle. Clavicle is also called the collarbone. So C is matched to 3. And sternum जो होता है, sternum is also known as the breastbone. So D का हो गया 4. A2, A2, B1 यहाँ पे है, C3 and D4. So the final answer for this question is option D. Hope you understood well. Best of luck.